The Golden Word of Mama. In a small town lived a little boy named Hassan. He was kind at heart, but sometimes he forgot to listen to his mom. One day, Hassan was playing with his toy car. His mama called, Hassan, can you help me with the grocery, please? Hassan frowned. He didn't want to stop playing. He shouted back, I am busy, Mama. I will do it later. His mama quietly carried the heavy bags herself. She smiled softly, but her eyes looked tired. Later that night, when Hassan was going to bed, his mama sat beside him and gently said, My dear Hassan, one day you will grow up strong and tall, but never forget Jannah lies under the feet to your mother. A kind child listens, a good child helps, but the best child respect. His voice was soft, but those words felt heavy in Hassan's heart. That night, Hassan had a dream. In his dream, he saw a beautiful garden with golden trees. There was a shiny path that led to big golden gate. A voice whispered, only those who respect their parents can enter here. Hassan tried to walk in, but the gate wouldn't open. He cried and said, I am sorry, Mama. I did not listen. I did not help. Suddenly he woke up. His cheeks were wet. He ran to the kitchen and hugged his mom tightly. Mama, I am sorry. I want to be the best child. I want to listen. I want to respect you always. His mama smiled with tear in her eyes. That's my golden boy, she said. From that day, Hassan changed. He listened when his mama spoke. He helped without being asked. And he remembered her golden word every day. Jannah lies under the feet of your mother. Moral of the story, respecting your parents is not just a good manners, it is the path to Jannah. Always listen, help and show loves to your parents before it's too late. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.